kakenhun nak Sorkar jelah ke jilam sembut minterang ba ke jelah badai pe yaknat Urban Affairs subak sengau bahalang dhar kan hiar sen nong ba Dhaka jong kari Bangladesh ban plie yo motdur bashir rynīeng jong klawai yakun ban yo lai loi nakti ki pareng usim Tirot Sing ha ka khandru trik Rymphang arjar saw haba pentip yakni hadien ke jilang kakenhun menteri ha ka janmiet ka arp saw trik kulalengkot arajar arpusa unong aiktien ke Sorkar MD itu uba polling do uloong bakalawan ke jing pentip na Bangladesh pat ka Sorkar kan ai ka jing tip bobnya shwaban leng.
On the 16th of next month, the state government has been talking to the Indian High Commission of Bangladesh, and on the 16th of February next, we will be unveiling a life-size statue of Tirot Sing and also a bust of the renowned warrior of the state at Dhaka. The program will be the delegation will be led by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Shillong and I will also be accompanying the team, as the program has been at the behest of the Department of Arts and Culture. We will be sharing more details about the program as we approach closer to February 16. In fact, we have also included representatives from the media to be part of this entourage. The statue and the bus have been designed by Rynīeng, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, high-level team led by Deputy CM, Mr. Meghalaya, will be part of the unveiling program, of the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka 16th. The official program is on the 16th February.